This is going to be a really exciting week, but I will get into that at the end. I will talk about what I will be doing, but first things first, you can see by the description, is we are talking about Deck of Scarlet. Now, I've done one of these videos already. You can see I am wearing their eyeshadows today, their lipstick, their blush, and their highlight from the edition number 9 palette. So how this works is it's a subscription. You pay $19.95, I want to believe, US, every 3 months, and you get sent a palette, and every palette comes with at least 1 or 2 other items. So I have a mascara, I have eyeliners, I have lip liners, I have liquid highlights from them. So this week you're actually going to see me do 2 more of these for sure, possibly 3. I do have a new, I have something being mailed to me, but it's not a palette. I signed up for a different promotion, so that's probably what it was. I will link everything in the description box below on how you can get Deck of Scarlet as well. I do have a $10 off coupon for your first subscription. To be honest, I found this, I don't remember when I found this, but I love these. Like, they're so freaking good. And that's what I love about them. And they're created by influencers. And just so you know, I just swatched before I did this. So these are the 3 shades that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I'll give you the names actually. If I can open this, it's upside down. That's why it's not working. Okay, so the first one is Drama, and then we have Crush, and then we also have Supernova. So these 3 shadows created this eye look. I did put a different shade from a different palette in the crease just as my transition because it was a matte brown. But to be honest, I'm very happy with this palette. I have used these shadows before. So what happens when you open it up is you're going to open it and you're going to cut 3 shadows and you're going to get a mirror. And then you're going to get a highlight and usually a blush. Sometimes it can be more of a contour, like kind of a bronzy shade. This is a darker shade. I do have it swatched on my hand. So that's the blush, and you can kind of see the highlight. The blush is Whisper, and Shh is the highlight. So that's what I'm wearing on my face today. I'm actually really happy with this blush. I haven't tried it before. And then the bonus part is it always comes with 2 lipsticks. So it's like palette style. I wish they would send a brush. Personally, that would be the one thing I would add to this. But I keep lip brushes everywhere. I just mixed the 2 colors today. I don't know how I feel about this color. But the one thing I will tell you is, sorry, wear time. The lipsticks do wear a little bit more than I was expecting. So, and since I've started using these subscription boxes, I find that I go back to them, and then I'll take a break, and then I go back, and then I'm like, these are freaking good. So I love the shadows. I've never had a problem. And I've tried a lot of eyeshadows, and I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So really, do I think this is worth it? Absolutely. I wish I could remember what came with this one, but I've had this one for a while. So getting back to what I was saying at the beginning of the video, starting this week, I'm going to set aside makeup that I'm going to wear just this week so that we can have a wear test, because I'm finding I have a lot of different products that I want to try, but I'm switching them out too quickly and I can't really tell. So I will have, coming up soon, we will have a video. I'm sorry, I'm just checking something. We will have a video coming up where I will show you all the makeup I'm going to wear just this week only, and then at the end of the week, I'm going to do a review on what I thought. Did it work? Was it long wearing? Things like that. So, you know, we're going to have fun this week. There's also going to be some Young Living videos coming up and some more unboxings, so I'm super excited. This week's going to be so much fun. And I think we have got past our technical difficulties that we were having earlier in the week. So, without further ado, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Leave me a comment below. I am here to learn, and I'm here to share with you. So you let me know what you need. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'll see you guys soon.